Good day everyone, I'm Chong Hui Ling, the project manager from Bina Constructions. Today, we are going to present our proposal to you. Before going deep into the proposal, let me introduce our company. Our company's mission is to deliver inspired solutions. We have over 50 years of experience in constructions, properties, industry, and infrastructure works. Our current project is SEC01 as we are the subcons and Iringan Bayu Seremban as we are the main con. Our headquarters is in Kuala Lumpur and we expand our business to Johor Bahru, Sabah, and Sarawak. Now, Bak Si Hui will introduce our project proposal to you.
Hello everyone, I'm Bak Si Hui, Matric ID AA20214. I'm the safety manager of this company. Now I will talk about the introduction of project that intend to be. So this is the project Pembinaan Klinik Kesihatan Malaysia jenis 2 di Semenyih, Hulu Langat, Selangor. So we get this project tender information from KKR website through this link. The purpose of this project portfolio is to let you know that how our company can help the client to overcome the challenges faced in the construction for Malaysian health clinic. We believe that our company can bring a value proposition for KKM after implementing our construction solution. The type of development for this project is primarily infrastructure development under healthcare sector. So the classification of KKM for this clinic is Type 2 and the total capacity for this project is 500 to 800 persons per day. And it is a 2-story building and the project grade is grade 7. The total cost for this project is 31,690,000 in total. And the project starts on 3rd of November 2022 and it will be handed over on 29th April 2025. The total duration for this project is 909 days. So, how are we going to develop this project after being awarded the tender? So this is a general idea which divided into 4 stages. The first stage is the pre-construction, which involves site possession, site clearing, and also site testing. For the second stage is the procurement, which involves purchase of material and equipment, and also labor hire. For the third stage is the execution, which involves structural work, architectural work, M&E work, and also infrastructure work. And last is the project closeout that involves owner occupancy and final completion and also payment. The type of PNC that we adopted in this project is design bid build traditional method. So in this project, client will have 2 separate contracts, one with designer or one with contractor. Contractor will take over all workmanship and materials including all works by subcontractors and suppliers. Contractors didn't involve in any design phase. Client will have closer control of the works in this project. The type of organization structure in this project is functional organization structure. In this project, each department will have its own department head who will be responsible for the performance of each section. The communication flows through the department heads to the top management. Employees are very skillful, efficiency is gained because we are experienced in the same work. The hierarchy is very clear and employees do not have to report to multiple supervisors. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenters. Thank you.
For project cost, we follow the grade given, which is G7. According to CIDB, project cost for G7 is above from 10 million and no limits. After the consideration about the price of our project, the final cost that we can give is 31,690,000. The cost is divided into 4 parts, which is 2.75% for preliminary, 91% for construction, 5.47% for infrastructure, and 0.05% for others. This table shows the details of cost estimation. The cost for each activity is separated into 2, which is 80% from direct cost and 20% from indirect cost. 80% from direct cost is come from labor, material, and machinery, and 20% come from 10% profit, 6% from SST, and 4% from utilities.
For the method of statement, site preparation and site survey will be carried out to study the geology of the locations. After that, the site will be cleared to remove obstacles and setting out will be carried out to mark the exact locations before doing the earthwork. For the external works, excavations, cut and fill, as well as soil compaction will be carried out to install the sewerage lines and construct drainage. After that, substructural work, which is the foundations, and superstructural works, which are the beams, column, slab, and stairs are done. Their process is the same, which is the first one, installing the steel reinforcements, followed by the formwork, concreting work, and dismantle of formwork. Then we will construct the walls and roof. Next, architectural and M&E installation commence as soon as the completions of structural works. Road pavement and street lining are the last constructions. After the site is cleaned and issued the CCC by PEPC, the site will be handed over to the client.
Assalamualaikum and a very good day. My name is Khairul Hakim bin Abdul Aziz and my role for our company is quantity surveyor. As a quantity surveyor, I need to do the estimation and costing work based on the drawing to estimate the final cost for our project. And now I will continue the presentation about work breakdown structure of our project. As you can see, here are the list of all parent and child activity for our project. And this is how our work breakdown structure activity look like. We have 8 parent activity, which is preliminary work, external work, structural work, architecture work, M&E installation, infrastructure work, cleaning, closing and inspection. Lastly, we have documentaries and handover. And now, I will continue the presentation about the OBS of EasyBina Construction Project Team. At the top, we have a project manager, which is IR Chong Hyo Ling. And under the project manager, we have procurement and administration team, which is Lon Kung Kai as procurement manager. Next, we have a site management team, which is Bak Si Hui as safety manager, and Lim Si Feng as a site manager. For project planning and control team, we have Ahmad Ibrahim bin Ahmad Tajali Al-Yamani as a planning manager and Khairul Hakimi bin Abdul Aziz as a quantity surveyor. Lastly, we have an engineering team, which is Kang Kyu Hat as a senior engineer manager.
Good day everyone, my name is Kwan Kai from EasyBina. I'm going to explain about project planning and scheduling. First of all, as you can see, this is our list of activities of this project. This project starts on November 3rd, 2022 and end on April 29th, 2025. The total duration of this project is 908 days. There are 9 stages in this project. The first stages of this project is preliminary works. This preliminary works consists of site preparation, which only lasts for 3 days, site survey lasts for 5 days, site clearing around 15 days, and setting up also 15 days. The second stages of the project is external work. External work consists of excavation, cut and fill, and soil compaction. These 3 tasks will take a very long time, such as 30 days, 45 days, and 60 days. Next, structural work. Structural work is the third stages of this project. It consists of foundation, superstructural reinforced concrete, walls, and roofing. Normally, this task took 15 days to 50 days to carry out and complete the task. Now, the fourth stages of the project is architectural works. Architectural work consists of finishing, plastering, tiling, and plumbing works, and of course, also painting works. This task normally took 20 days to 60 days to complete. Next, the fifth stages of this project is M&E installation. Normally, it took 70 days to complete this task if there is nothing wrong within the project. Next, the 6 stages of the project is common infrastructure works. Common infrastructure works consists of sewerage work, drainage work, road pavement, and of course, installation of street lighting. So, after we done this 7th stage and 6th stage of the project, then we come to site cleanup, closing and inspection, and the last but not least, handover. So, let's carry on to the Gantt chart. That's all from me. Thank you.
Good day everyone. My position in this company is site manager. After we start the activities in this construction project, we construct the network diagram, which is the arrow or node as well as AON diagram. From that, we will know the yearly start, yearly finish, let's start and let finish days for every activity in this project. Besides that, this AON diagram shows the red color arrow represented the critical path which the activity is compulsory complete within the duration, and the most important is we get the overall project duration as we planned is 909 days on. Next, based on the AON we did before, we use the PERT analysis to determine if this project can finish on time or not within the project due date. This analysis is calculated by 3 elements which are A, D, and M. A is the optimistic time, it is the shortest time which is the activity could be completed. B is the pessimistic time, which is the longest time the activity requires. And M is the most likely time, which means the time activity could be accomplished if it could be repeated many times. Then, from these 3 elements, we can determine the expected time, TE, and variance for each activity. After that, total up the critical path, expected time, and variance, we will get the expected completion time for the project is 909 days, and its variance is 128. Now, you may have a question about is this project can be completed before the project due date, which is 923 days. So, according to our analysis, the chances for this project can be completed on time is 89.25%, while the possibility for failure just only 10.75%. Hence, we believe that this project will be going smoothly as the schedule and the construction project will be finished before meeting the due date. Thank you.
From utilities. This S-curve shows how our company plan and how our progress performance on this project. This S-curve basically present as our reference to measure the progress of project work, evaluate performance, and serve as a consideration for making cash flow estimate. S-curve is widely used because it can display real-time cumulative data from various project elements and compare it with the project data. This S-curve shows trajectory of progress performance for 895 days. During the actual progress, our company can use this S-curve to make correction on how resources are being used.
Lastly, why you need to choose our company? In terms of experience, our organization is made up of highly qualified engineers who are dedicated to delivery high-quality solutions. Our firm has completed over 130 construction projects in the public and private sector. We are experting in cost planning and scheduling. Our company has proved a strong team, as well as effective planning and scheduling, as well as accurate cost estimation. Up to 5% of project overall cost can be saved, finishing the project ahead of schedule. We also emphasize about safety and environment in construction. We achieve a workplace that is accident-free. We create a safe and clean environment for community. And these are our past projects in Easy Business Construction. They are build the can base for ECRL and demolition work for airports. That's all, and thank you for your attention.